Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create PowerPoint slides in Canva. So head over to canva.com and sign into your account. Canva lets you do a lot of things like presentations, logos, video editing, and many more. For this video, we're focusing on creating PowerPoint style presentation slides. You can start from scratch by clicking presentation, or go to the templates tab and choose a ready-made template by searching for a theme. For example, let's say school report presentation. Here you'll see tons of presentation templates. Anything with the crown icon means it's for Canva Pro users only. If it doesn't have the crown, it's free to use. For example, this one. Select this template and click Customize this template. So inside the Canva editor, you can edit everything just like PowerPoint. Change or remove the text, add elements or shapes, insert photos or videos, and replace or add template pages. If you want to change your slide template, just go to Design and browse for more presentation templates. For example, this one. You can click Apply All, which replaces all of the slides. Or you can click on one of the slides, in which you can replace the current page or add as a new page. So once you're done editing, you can present your slides directly in Canva. Just click Present. To open your presentation in full screen mode. You can also use Canva's built-in transitions and animation. Just click on the transition button in between two slides. If you want to download your presentation offline, click Share, go to Download, and choose a PDF. After downloading, you can just open it in your browser and present it using your arrow keys. Just take note that PDF won't include any animations. You can also download your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. Just choose PPTX. However, keep in mind, some Canva elements may not look exactly the same in PowerPoint. Some animations may not translate properly, and you may need to make small fixes directly inside PowerPoint. Once downloaded, open the file in PowerPoint and check the slides. So most of the design transfers well, but animations may vary depending on the template. And just like that, you can now present your slides either the Canva or in PowerPoint. Just remember that not all Canva animations carry over to PPT, so be ready to adjust a few things. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.